So under further investigation, I realized that that kit is definitely geared more towards winter with the snowflakes. So here is the actual kit I'm going to be using for this week. It is from Glam Planner. I did get this back in 2019. It was either May or June. As you see, it's very goddess, Etherean, hero, Greekness. So yeah, this is going to be the kit that I'm going to use. So stay tuned. So this is going to be a real quick one here. No, my numbers are from Rose Colored Days. Here on Monday, I used a laptop from Lilac and the plans to mark down that I saw what the true workload will be like when I was going to be my first time on safety net by myself. Man, oh man, they had like 200. That was craziness. But after I got over that shock, I, finished up my follow-up, and then I marked that with a Starbucks cup from Crafts by Thaowie. Put down my full box, and that overlay is from Glam Planner. I had my appointment with my cousin for my body contouring. So I did that, and then on my way back, I heard this song called Forever by Donnell Jones that I love. And I thought about that and played that for him when I got home as a potential song. But considering the words, it doesn't really fit. After that, I did some editing for a video, and then I did brain dumping. That YouTube icon is also from Crafts by Thaowie. I had like one of her best of sheets or something of that sort, and that's where it's from. Tuesday, that marked the 1 year since George Floyd was murdered, so I marked that off, and I had a mandala, and those butterfly stickers are from Sadie Stickers. I did do waist training that day, as well as got on my Peloton, and I marked that using the sneaker from Crafts by Thaowie. Also had to clean up a lot of stuff, and I used my new little icon of washing dishes from Crafts by Thaowie. And then that cleaning day script is from Tay's freebie from JK Creates. I also did my monthly budget because this was my week of getting paid. Hallelujah. And then I had a YouTube binge. On to Wednesday. It was so weird because normally my migraines start like end of day. I don't know why it was like that, but it was weird. So I marked down my migraine with my Peyton, but I ended up going back and changing it. I did take a half day and I did take a nap. But that day we also had a food tasting, and I think at the point of the pan over you'll see that. And I marked that using her 3-heart checklist box, and I just covered the hearts with the Crafts by Thaowie wine icon. And then the food tasting script is from Scribble Prince Co. On to Thursday, I had work. I believe that work script is also from JK Creates freebie with Tay, and then the laptop is the same. We discussed some wedding details, including dates, and I used the phone because we were on the phone when we were having this conversation. I had some downtime, so I just put that on a little. I did have a nail appointment that day. So that nail bottle is from Scribble Prince Co. Lilac Luna Plans. After that, I did go pick up my sister from the airport, and then it was restaurant week here where I live. So we had our sister date, and I actually used some floral behind the icon. I love it. It was so cute. On to Friday. Let me hurry up and try to catch up here. Friday, I had my day off, did my hair, fixed my makeup. This was my first road trip in my new car, which was amazing. And guess where I went for my first dress fitting? My camera ended up dying while I was like putting that together, which took a whole lot. But the dress icon is from Crafts by Thaowie. I used one of the Giving Girl boxes. I have a mandala from Sadie Stickers, as well as the butterfly and the streamers. It did rain terrible that day. Terrible. It just kept raining, and I was like, are you freaking kidding me? But it rained really bad after the dress fitting, so that made me feel a little better. That rain icon is from Glam Planner. And then after that, we went to Sylvia's, which is a restaurant in New York. Love soul food. That was my zhuzh, and we knew we were going there even before we Even before anything else, we knew that's where we were going. On to Saturday, I woke up. I did make him some breakfast because he was off that day as well. And then I had my makeup trial with the artist that I am now using for my wedding. And then we did a little bit of work on the car because it's been doing something weird. I couldn't really figure it out, but we tried to work on that. And then after that, my sister came pick me up with the girls and we went shoe shopping for them. That shoe icon is from the wedding sampler sheet from Crafts by Thaowie. And then after that, we did meet up with my sister's best friend and his friend. And we all went to Mad Max, which was so good. And we laughed too much, way too much. And that's pretty much the end of our day for Saturday. Sunday, I did have to make a quick Target run. Went and grabbed my sister, and then her best friend's baby shower was that day. You'll see a close-up in the pan over because clearly I was out of frame when I was recording that, but I used the mandala and the lace trim from Sadie stickers, and then the heart balloons are from Crafts by Thaowie. My florals that I did use in this Plan With Me are from the Sweet Planner, in case you guys didn't know. Here is the pan over now. Yeah, so you see the thing for the food tasting. And this is my last week of orientation, which scared the crap out of me. I can't even believe it. I made it to the end of 3 months. But baby girl is now on her own. So y'all pray for me. I hope you guys liked it. I'll see you guys later. Bye.